Okay, guys, Okoto the series. We are here for Okoto the series media round. We just left R2 FM Ibadan, and I want to tell you that Okoto the series is coming your way. Oh my loud! He
restricts hair flow.
Yeah, Oni. He's a character that was, or that is also having that similar career challenges at the moment in the course of the story.
A lot of Nigerians Nigerians are.
So that is why I would relate more with Somi. But beyond that, everybody is fantastic. All the characters have unique lessons and they have unique stories and struggles. So I love everyone.
Because in real life,
it feels like my lifestyle,
right?
you know.
It was relatable.
Yeah.
We also have Kemi in the house. Yeah. Okay. What character did you play in the series?
I played Demola.
Demola, okay.
Demola is a schoolboy, was in SS2, and he happens to be a privileged child who had his parents were not that learned, so you can understand this type of child they would have. Yeah. But then there's a dissimilarity between the parent and the child, so there were really not too correlation between the way his father behaved and the way the child is behaving. So
Generation Z.
Exactly. So it's totally different.
Yeah. But obviously we can't wait to watch the series and find ourselves, each and every one of ourselves in this series.
To understand the script when you give them. I know so they will be different from one person to the other, but on the average they take them like how many?
As you don't talk, it depend on the actor and how fast the person feel learn. For some people, it will take time before now gradual process from maybe their first job they not go to do well, but with time they go to improve. Some people they be natural, some people are natural gifts. Once you put them for front of camera, then go display for you and they go wow you. So it depends on how fast you can learn basically and how good you are.
When they tell the story, when they make you interested in the story different. Now special, now personal ability to tell story. Like person have Victor say, as I come here now, if you see one bike man as he won't collect change, another person go come tell the same story, you don't go feel him. So that storytelling ability now waited on day for every African. But for professionals where they do proper storytelling, what they do we say they will come go research more. Okay, how I fit tell this story where we say people go like them. Me personally, I don't believe say now one straight way be this way then they write scripts. When I write, what I just really want to be say I just want tell story where we say people go they interested, then go they invested in the story. For other people like my friend here who is also a writer. If you tell you say
you mean Chris,
yes, he's a writer on the project also. So if you tell you say you need to follow the 3-act structure and all that, yes, all those things they
go they natural to you. Abi, since now you could conceptualize the whole thing.
Not be like that they work. The thing different. Writing different from acting. Both of them they be different arts. For writing, like he said, no one way we say now like this. Everything you go know the rules, but now you go know how you go take bend down, how you go take mold down, where go favor you. And for acting too, once you don't understand your character, the next thing is to know how you go take play am. Personally, it depends on how you as a person don't take research your art, how you don't take ground yourself, how you don't take know what you do.
I won't ask you again. You don't give me script. I mean I know be actor. But I enjoy you now when art all those cuts. We know they see those parts and they make it more interesting. By the time we now show us making of the movie, we go, oh, this guy actually chopped this slap like 13 times before they give us one.
Till life shall happen to him eventually.
Okay. Yeah. Kemi, what will be the things where people need to expect from Okoto?
Make I let my director answer that
director.
question. Now you director.
Seun, you see, I'm not getting our names wrong again.
Yes,
you
you try.
Seun, the storyteller. Yeah.
You see, my people, as soon as they listen to us for hours, this Okoto series where they come out, he choke. He choke.
That don't turn to you.
See, you see this Okoto now for everybody, because if you watch Okoto, you go see yourself inside, you go see your friend inside, you go see your brother inside, you go see that silly landlord inside. Everybody, you see Okoto now for everybody. It's a story about everybody and everybody's struggle and also it's about how people they try make life better for themselves despite the nature of our environment. So Okoto has a lot of intriguing
A lot
moments.
more people want to be actors than either producer or this thing. So as you be actor now, 2015, and you are no shades intended. You are not A list yet.
Yeah.
Abi. So I don't know the alphabet what you did. But I did sure say you know the A, you know, and it's no, not true now, you know. But then this stage where you did like this now, where people are already seeing your film on YouTube, you know, you're on Okoto the series and granting interviews here and there. So many people would like to be like you, all right? Not many people want to be directors because they work plenty. You understand? Well, a lot of people want to be actors basically because they want to be seen.
They want blue.
And I think it's fun.
Basically because they see them for TV and all of those things. What the challenges will come with being on TV aside from hey my fans let's take selfie and all that so that we begin the wrap up.
Passion for it, you won't mind. Not be say them talk say you know sabi do am, but you know they do am the way they want make you do am. So you have to be able to interpret, listen to corrections. So when you go tell me say come Washabina, so I want time. When me say come eat time. As in one time, you go come my side, come rub me for it, say, oh mommy, you do well. So that is it. Interpreting roles is a lot and it's time consuming. People know they understand, you know, people go just come your DM, I want to join film, mama, I want to join film. If I join film, you get people who don't follow me, go set before, where we say, we go kill, you know, say A-list, now then we go they follow for schedule, say make them finish their own before your own. Some people won't reach set now. May they shoot their scene. No, it no be so. So it's deeper than that.
Actually, I wish I can discuss that. That's part of the way I regard as unprofessional, but no be today.
So where we say if they drop episodically, like maybe say if it be one time every week, if it be one time every day, but now something we get continuity where we say. You go drop today, you go get another one tomorrow, you go get another one the following day. So now waiting series B. Then if you want to talk about web series, now series will be say now on top web, on top internet you go to watch them.
Okay.
If it be on Instagram, if it be on WhatsApp, if it be YouTube.
Okay.
But this one we will talk
this one YouTube. For YouTube.
Now for YouTube you go watch them for Libra TV.
For YouTube. Okoto the series. And before you guys came in, let's say I see Kemi, I said, this is not my friend project. I've seen it everywhere. I mean, you guys are making quite a lot of noise about this. Ego sweet.
He's soak.
Now prepare them.
You oversee.
Now, so now they make mato.
This one now confirm.
Now, so we go watch it now. We go call the.
For us, the storyteller is the lead writer, the head writer for Okoto the series. He just talks about what an average Nigerian goes through on a daily basis. We try to pick different categories of people such that if you're watching Okoto you can see either yourself or your friend or your family member or someone close to you in the story. You can see experiences that you've had. You can see, you know, it's very relatable. It's a modern story that tells the truth of what is happening in Nigeria today. I say it all the time that media and entertainment is a very powerful tool to push our narratives, and if we don't have content that speaks of who we are as people or what our challenges or our triumphs have been, nobody would know. Omobala Digun, that's one of the Oshisko twins.
Okay.
They try break and dance and they explain. Muideen Oladapo, that's Lala.
Okay.
Buki Raji, Mimisola Daniels.
You don't do.
Akiola.
You don't carry the food. Akiola gonna accept well.
Yes.
If one day go come, when I don't bring in movie makers, directors, and all that here, and I talk. Who did your film? They go mention name. One day they go mention Mr. Rain. One day I will get there. One day I'm working on I'm still a sharp. All right. Okay. So, Kemi, producer of Okoto the series and many others. Is this your first thing where you produce?
No, this is not the first series.
Where you produce?
Yes, but I don't produce movie before.
Yeah.
The title na Last Straw. You do on top Libra TV as well.
To deliver in time.
Yeah.
And whatever they give you, most of the time, they don't call the director to actually direct in Nollywood. They call you to save the day. So they have written a story that happens in a mansion, and then in reality they just have a 3-bedroom apartment, and they want you to come and say, we want it to look like this person is flamboyantly rich, and then as a director you have to deliver. So when the production is going south, it's the fault of the director, because if you notice, there are some actors that you see in certain movies and you're like, oh, this person can really act, and then you watch other movies and you're like, this is not the same person I saw. So it depends on the director. That's why I said you need to learn psychology. You need to know, okay, this person, Ashabi for instance, I worked with her. I knew her as a person. So when she was not giving her best yet, I knew, okay, there's more she could do, which is psychology, which is not even anything relating to the story or the artistic stuff. It's just basic psychology. People know me, yes, I can sell movies. People want to watch my movies and all that. Some of them decide to start doing our jobs, which is not a problem for most of us. But they end up not doing it well. So to be a director, you really need to learn it. You really need to know how to deal with people, and then you need to, that's the basic stuff. Then you need to know how to work story. You need to know how story works. Okay. What's the story like? Sometimes you inquire scripts, stories that are not really good, but as a director, the honor is on you to make it look great on TV.
All right.